Yo, what's going on everybody? It's Tristan, and today in this video, what I got going on for you guys is I want to discuss two SBs we're going to be seeing drop next month. They're just some December drops, excuse me, right there. And yeah, we're just going to be getting into them. I got them both right here, and we'll just kind of show them up close in hand, and yeah, get into, the details, maybe a little resale prediction for them, and we'll discuss that all in this video. If you guys want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Again, just trying to 300 likes in this video just lets me know this is the type of content that y'all want more of. And of course, you guys can always check me out. My IG's down below. Always buy, sell, trade here. So if you guys ever want to do business with me, feel free to check my story. I'll be posting a lot for sale tonight, probably a little bit later today, but it might be, I actually might do it right after this video because I have to edit this, but maybe I'll do this, do that first, And you can also check us out at Resale Vision down below. You can see some of the deals we did just last night, and we're doing more today. You can see some of the ones we're running this week. So yeah, if that's what you're into, getting under market sneakers, we do that every single day. Again, we're going to be giving away a pair of the Dark Mocha Jumpman Jacks coming soon. So if you guys like the sound of any of that, feel free to check us out down below and join up. But yeah, that's everything I really need to say right now. And why don't we get into these upcoming SBs we got right here. So the first one I want to get into right here is the Seattle Supersonics SB Dunk Low. Keep in mind, this is a pair that I think a few of us have forgotten about, but this is still going to be dropping next month in December. So that's one of the main things to keep in mind. And it's just a regular GR pair. It's going to be in a purple box, I believe. I don't think they've transferred GR pairs fully to the sale boxes yet. Maybe I'm wrong on that, but we could see that because we had the Safari Olympics earlier this year. That was a GR SB Dunk Low, and that was in a sale box. And I think there's been a couple more that have also been in it, but some have also been in the purple box. So this might be one of those ones that's in the purple box. I'll have some confirmation on that. There's probably already some info on that out there. So if I find it online, I'll be sure to post that. But if not, then it's coming soon, like within the next week or two. But yeah, it's a pretty nice pair. Like, I'll just stand up for a second. You guys can see that's what we got going on with the tongue tag. Probably one of my favorite parts of the shoe. I don't know why, I just kind of like that design we got going on right there. You can see it's kind of like how can I put it? Like, they have holes all throughout the tongue tag. I don't know. It's kind of, it's like, you can breathe. It's kind of nice. So I think that's pretty good. You can see kind of that yellow and green design, hence the Seattle Supersonics name and the red. But yeah, y'all can really notice it on that swoosh right there, the touch to it. These, I don't believe they're going to be called the Seattle Supersonics SB Dunk Low, but that's what a lot of people are calling them, just, because we can kind of see it with the colorway. I know it's a little bit off, but it's pretty close to it, so that's why we got that name. And yeah, swoosh is pretty nice. I like that, actually. Kind of that yellow outline on the white swoosh. I think that works pretty well. Helps it pop a little bit more. And yeah, what we got going on the toe box right there, you can see it's kind of a waterproof material too, so that's actually really nice. Like, if you were to wear these in the rain, it would just kind of slide right off, so that's kind of nice. So I like that little feature. Here's what we got going on the insole, just yellow Nike SB logo, and then just a Zoom Air, so y'all can see that. The heel, and yeah, there are the soles on them as well, so that's actually pretty nice. I like that. Kind of that material or colorway they're using reminds me of like a basketball court a little bit, so I think that's kind of cool. And yeah, that's really what I can say. Just a GR pair we're going to be seeing next month, so nothing too crazy, but one of the ones we got. My personal resale prediction for these when they do drop next month is probably going to be like 150 to like $200. I really don't think these are going to be one that flips for too much, especially just since it's a GR pair. Like, they'll make a decent amount of them. Like, they'll drop at a lot of online retailers. They'll probably drop for a couple weeks. They'll restock, I would imagine, maybe 1-2 times. On some online retailers, your local skate shop, I mean, once they sell out, they'll be, out of pairs. But yeah, that's what I can say. It's nothing too crazy. It's been pretty calm in the SB scene recently, but this is a good one for the personal collection. And this is already my size, so I'll probably just keep this one right here since, this is one from the earlier review. So if y'all want to on-feet reviews with these two SBs I'm going to show you in this video, excuse me, then yeah, let me know in the comments. I'll be sure to make some on-feet reviews for this pair and the other one I'm going to show y'all right here in a second. So first one we got coming up, GR SB Dunk Low Seattle Supersonics SB is going to be dropping early December, I believe. And then we got another really cool pair which is going to be dropping a little bit after these, but they could drop right around the same time. But this should be one that is not too hard to cop. That's my personal prediction. You probably will be able to get a pair of these for retail price. They'll probably flip maybe for like a little bit over, but I imagine they'll make enough, and yeah, they'll be able to meet the demand is my personal prediction for this pair right here. But very cool, got some nice details on it. Overall, like, seems pretty comfortable. So yeah, I'm taking these. I'm gonna tell them. So on for review coming soon. But yeah, if y'all really want it, let me know in the comments. If we had 200 likes in this video, I'll do it. But yeah, first one, I've been showing y'all that for too long. And of course, these two SB Dunk Lows are not the only SBs we're gonna be seeing drop next month. We got a few on the way, I believe, like 3 or 4, could be wrong, but these are the 2 that we currently know are like confirmed for next month. So this one is probably the more hype one, and I actually want to give you all some good news in a second about this pair. But the Wizard of Oz SB Don't Glow, y'all probably saw a little YouTube short I put out recently for these. And my early pair review, I think I put out like a month or 2 ago, so you guys can definitely go check that out as well. But a pretty nice pair. Like, I'll stand up for a sec so you guys can see tongue tag. Obviously just says Wizard of Oz right there, so you can tell it's a collaboration with them. The Nike SB, you know, they're using their font, so I thought, again, that's pretty cool to do that for a lot of collaborations. You can see in the back here by the heel it says no place like home. There you go. So that's pretty cool. And you can see the flowers. It's based off this picture. Hopefully I'll find it again online. I put it in one of my reviews, but yeah, it's based off this picture. Maybe you guys can really see it there. Then here are the soles on them, bright red. So obviously those ruby red slippers, you know what I mean? It definitely is going to show that. But the main good news I want to discuss, oh, and here back by the heel, I'll show you all the insoles too. Like, probably one of my favorite portions of the sneaker. I'll just directly take my pictures off Instagram or from my earlier review, actually, because I was showing the insoles, I think, in that. So yeah, I'll choose one of them to show the pictures of those. So hopefully that's on the screen right now. But yeah, the insoles, very, very cool in the shoe. One of the main things I'll say. And yeah, here's what we also got going on with the toe box right there. So pretty cool. That's all I can say. But I'm aware of these. And here's one thing I want to say. I think the material may throw people off a little bit. Like, you know what I mean? It's just it's very how can I put it? It's just it's not like a suede, obviously. Yeah, it's kind of like a scratchy material, you know? Hear that? Yeah, just, I don't know. That might throw people off a little bit, you know? And yeah, we just got some red laces with them. But the main thing I want to say about this pair that I think a lot of people were going to like to hear about the Wizard of Oz SBs is these, I do not think are going to be one of those SB Dunk Lows that goes for like 300, 400 bucks. Like, you're not going to have to fork up too much money for this particular pair. Now, I haven't seen many big sizes or really any leak yet. Like, the biggest size of these I've seen out there is like a 10.5 as of right now. So once a bigger, like, you know, some 11s, 12s, 13s leak, then I'll kind of know the market. But at the moment, from what I'm seeing and what I know on the back door, yeah, you'll probably be able to get a pair of these for like 200, 300 bucks, like personal prediction. Maybe even a little bit cheaper in like 9, 8.5, 7, 7.5. Like, I definitely think this will be one of those pairs that is going to do really well over time. Like, obviously, you know, once the market settles, get your pair. That's one of the main things they'll say, because this is not one of those ones that, you know, I would just let sit out there for a while if you really want for the personal collection. It has a big name behind it. It could definitely do well with, you know, let's say just, you know, Wizard of Oz comes back, does like some sort of movie. I don't think that would cause the, you know, sneaker to single-handedly go up in price, but it would definitely, you know, draw some attention to it. But yeah, this is one of those sneakers just because of what's behind it. I think over time it will do well. So yeah, that's what I can say. I definitely think, again, once these get a little bit cheaper, because they will, I would just be looking to maybe get a couple of them in the larger sizes, put them away for a bit. I'll be doing that because I just, again, it's a good bet. So hopefully, you know, we'll see some bulk on them. I'll be ready to, you know, hop on that. And just a very, very cool pair. Like, you know, I like when we get unique stuff like this. You know, that's always something that I'm going to be interested in. And yeah, just a really cool pair. So let me know how y'all are feeling about the Wizard of Oz SBs and the Supersonic SBs. These two right here, both dropping December 2024. And we're going to be seeing, I think, one or two more. But yeah, that's what we got. December SBs. Let me know which ones or which one you would take, or both. I think that's also fair to say. They're both pretty cool. So yeah, that's all I can say, guys. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to subscribe and like down below. Again, I was trying to 300 likes on this video. Just lets me know y'all want more unboxings like this. You guys can also check me out. My IG's down below. Always buying, selling, and trading. Just check my story. Tons of stuff for sale there. If you're ever looking for a certain pair, just shoot me a DM. And if I missed your message, just shoot me another. I will get back to you today or tomorrow. And what was the other thing I was going to say? Yeah, I hope everyone has a good Thanksgiving break. If you got, you know, some time off. I got a little bit of time off from, here's the thing. I still got, like, school assignments and stuff due, like, literally, like, the day after Thanksgiving. So, like, you know, my break is, like, a break. Like, my classes aren't really going on, but, like, I still got all the work for them. My teachers are trolling. Okay, I think that's everything I need to mention. Yeah, I already said, I think, Resale Vision, y'all can check that out down below. Again, the deals are due every single day in there. We got another giveaway coming up with the Dark Mocha Jumpman Jacks. And yeah, hopefully I didn't repeat myself too much during this outro. That's really the main thing I want to say. And just let me know your thoughts on these pairs, which one you would cop, or, you know, if you're not really feeling them, or if you know you only want one, if you want both. I totally understand all those opinions. So yeah, I'm T. Thank you guys. I'm gonna catch you all in the next video tomorrow. We'll see you all then. And we've been recording for a bit here, but yeah, you know, simple day today. I don't think I have too much to do other than I'm gonna hang out with my cat, so I'm probably gonna do that next. And then got this video to edit, got some stuff to put for sale, so we'll get it all done and that'll be the day. And drop some items in resale vision. We always do that. So I'll see y'all tomorrow in the next video. Long outro. I speak too much. Catch y'all tomorrow on the next one. Peace.